recording. Hi everyone, it's Tuesday and we got another helpful tip for you today. So we're going to talk about, we're still focusing on diffusers, but this time we're going to focus on the home and not on the road. So again, you can get diffusers anywhere, but doTERRA really does a good job of finding diffusers that really last a long time actually.
doTERRA's diffusers last a lot longer. I have two that I use almost every single day, and they're 3 years old.
Right.
And so I had two just from Amazon when I first got started, and they did not last a year. So just look at quality and stuff like that, because it is important. Read your reviews.
Right. Very true.
That's very helpful.
Several times I've bought diffusers from third parties, and yeah, you're right. Even like the little teeny tiny ones don't hold up. So anyway, so today we're going to focus on which diffuser you can put in each room of your house. So I'm going to start with the Luma right here. Oops, there we go. So you can see it. All right, so this one runs 2-hour increments, 5 hours, up to 10-hour increments. So it's 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off. There's a light feature. You can either keep it on as a night light or a mood light. So there's mood lighting as well. So if you're in an uplifting mood, you got lemon going on, you can put the yellow light on, or whatever you got going on. It also operates in a 570 square foot room. So be mindful of the size of your room and the type of diffuser you're going to get. That's all I have about that I can think of for that. Oh, and you don't need a lot of oils, just 3 to 4 drops. Anything more than that's a waste. And that's it. Okay, Chris, share with us your favorite diffuser.
So I got a couple of the new diffusers. So I don't know that I have a favorite yet because I haven't actually used them all yet. I kind of just kept going with the regular thing till I could really pay attention. So the first one I'm going to show you is the Lulus. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry, I didn't look that up. So it's this little guy here. It's really cool. It's this is frosted glass, and it's like suctions down in there. So it's kind of cool, and it gives you your, oops, you can see it, sorry, the water level and everything. And it actually is ultrasonic, so super quiet. It can run intermittently up to 8 hours. And it has that soft illumination, just like you like in the bedroom. So that may be where I end up putting this. And it will do up to 330 square feet. So that's kind of a really nice new one that they've got going on here. Nice. So that's it for that one.
Cool. I love it. That's really pretty. I like the glass on glass. It's totally different than what they've done before in the past. Next up is the Revy diffuser. I have that going on right now because it's just very lovely. It's super small and compact, and it runs the same as the Luma diffuser, 2 hours, 5 hours, up to 10 hours, intermittent, off and on. It has a light feature on it, so you can have just a night light or a mood light, or just let it run through all the little lights, so it's a little disco party in your house. This one operates in a 200-ish square foot, I forget the exact number, it's 200 something square foot room, so this is perfect for the office or the bedroom. I keep the Luma diffuser in my bedroom. I think I didn't mention that last time. This one I have by the kids when they're doing their school work, because I have adaptive going on and that keeps them focused. So that's where this little puppy works in my house. Chris, and there's different bottoms, like this one's the marble feature, and then Chris has the black one.
I do. It's kind of wood colored.
Okay.
So it blends in with your desk, so it's nicely hidden on your desk.
Incognito.
So one of the other new ones that they came up with was the room, I guess. And it's like this.
Looks like an Easter egg to me.
Yeah, it's kind of cool, and it has this charging bottom.
That's so awesome.
So yeah, so that's kind of cool, and it's quite heavy. It's also ultrasonic, and it's made of natural. The top is brownstone. So that's kind of cool, and I have to read this. I'm sorry, because I want to make sure I get it right. responsibly created, eco-friendly, post-consumer recycled resin.
Wow.
So it's kind of a cool one. This is a recycled one coming to you. It's rechargeable. It's got the docking station. It runs 4 hours or 8 hours intermittent. And it does have the ambient lights also. So that's kind of a cool one. The other thing I did was I went ahead and I picked up the humidifier. So doTERRA has a humidifier now.
Oh, wow. I think it's ginormous.
It's huge. It's as big as I am.
Woo!
So there we go.
Look at that.
And that's pretty cool. It's got smart sleep mode is what it's called, and it does the ideal humidity. So when it gets to 60% humidity in whichever room you have it in, it will shut off. So you can kind of program it and everything. So it's really a cool one, and that one does 270 square feet. The new Roam does 270 square feet. So really, I think there's a diffuser kind of for everything now. They've got the really pretty ones, and then the ones that are your heavy duty ones. There's just a lot to choose from, and I like having a nice pretty one in my living room. People come and they're like, oh, what's that? And besides the comforting smells, or in my office, the focusing smells, I think the diffusers are awesome, and each of them does a little bit different thing. So it fits every need now, I think.
Okay, cool. Have you been able to use all 3 of the new ones?
I haven't used the humidifier.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, they're super quiet, and like you don't hear like the water dripping like you normally do.
Yeah. Like,
I'm like, okay, where's the water running in my house?
Yeah. Right.
So you don't hear that as much, and the lighting is really cool. The frosted glass one is very muted and soft and very calming. So that's why I say I think I'm going to put that one back in the bedroom.
Mm-hmm. Very awesome. I love the one that you can move around, because I can't tell you how many times I've moved a diffuser around because I need it in the bathroom, because I don't keep one in the bathroom.
Yeah, because like you can take this and just follow you around from room to room.
That's amazing.
So
I love it.
That's kind of
technology. Cool. Way to go, doTERRA.
We're spoiled.
Yeah, I know, right? All right, well, that's it. Yeah, we're good. We got all our diffusers. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to share more tips on how to maintain. It's real easy, and just stay tuned for that. And that's it, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your week and have a great day. Bye.